Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I'm making an Alfredo pesto pasta bake. It came out really tasty. Let's do it. I'm gonna boil up some chicken. You can use a rotisserie if you want. You're gonna need 2 cups of shredded chicken for this recipe. I'm gonna boil 8 to 10 ounces of fresh spinach. Just boil it until it reduces. I have some boiling water. I'm adding 1 pound of Ziti noodles. I'm going to cook them until they're al dente according to the package directions. This is going to be one of my layers. I have a 15-ounce container of ricotta cheese, and I'm going to add my spinach. My spinach has been squeezed of most of the moisture. This is 1 cup of mozzarella cheese and a half a teaspoon of salt and Italian seasonings. Now I'm going to mix this together until it's well combined, and I'm going to set it to the side. Now let's work on our Alfredo pesto sauce. This is 1 stick of salted butter. And I'm just going to melt this down. Now I'm going to add 16 ounces of heavy whipping cream. And I'm going to mix this together. Now I'm adding some spices. This is 1 teaspoon each Italian seasonings, salt, and garlic powder, and a half a teaspoon of black pepper. Now I have a 5-ounce container of parmesan cheese. I'm going to mix that in until the cheese is melted. Now I'm going to add a 6-ounce jar of pesto sauce, and I'm going to mix that in. I'm telling you, this ends up being a really tasty sauce. So now just bring that up to a boil, let all that cheese melt, and this is ready. Now we're going to start making our layers. You're going to get about 1/3 of the sauce and put it on the bottom of a 9x13 baking dish. Now take half of your noodles and put them on top of the sauce. Now you're going to take your ricotta mixture and you're going to make another layer. I'm just going to spread that all over my noodles. Now I've added 2 cups of shredded chicken. Now you're going to add another 1/3 of your sauce on top of the chicken. So now I've added the rest of my noodles, and now I'm going to add the rest of my sauce. And now, last but not least, 1 cup of mozzarella cheese for topping. So now you get a piece of aluminum foil, you spray one side of it, and then you're going to top your pasta and put the sprayed side down so that nothing sticks to your aluminum foil. We're going to put this in the oven, 375 degrees for 30 minutes. And here is the Alfredo pesto pasta bake. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. Oh, look at this. So 375 for 30 minutes. And look at this. Wow, that's beautiful. Okay, my friends. This is so good. Alfredo and pesto together with all the cheese and the goodness. And a little bit of healthy with that spinach. This is really, really good. Okay, with the chicken, very, very tasty meal. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Try it. This is good.